Hello once again, ICP students. Today we're going to be looking at the conductors versus insulators simulation. As you look at this simulation, we're going to be using the link to make the circuit construction kit. Now this is a really useful thing, and we're going to be using it this week and also in the next 2 weeks when we start looking at current electricity. Over here on the left, you have a bunch of different items that you can plug in. Over on the right, we have some basic things like voltmeters and ammeters. You don't need to really worry about those for today. Today, I just want to show you how to set up a basic circuit. So I can place a battery out here, and you can change the voltage on it, but for now, we're going to just leave it as it is. And I can bring a wire out. I can bring another wire out, and I got a little bit, almost a circuit set up. And if I wanted to, I can attach a light bulb to that. And if I move the light bulb, I can go ahead and connect it up, and we've created a little circuit. Okay, you can also go in and you can delete parts of the circuit, or you can snip the connections to move them however you wish. As you look at the conductors and insulators, you're going to use a lot of these things down about the third amount. So I can take a dollar bill, I can connect it up, and if I connect it all the way up, you'd be able to see, does a dollar bill work as a conductor? And after that, I could take a coin and I can plug a coin in. We could see, does a coin work as a conductor? Okay, so I want you to go through, use this simulator. You're just plugging in different things and seeing, is it a conductor or an insulator? First, you're going to predict it. And then afterwards, you're going to go through, you're going to connect it up and find out what actually happens. Okay, again, this is the circuit construction kit on the PHET simulator. Later on, you'll be working with it and you'll be changing up some of the stuff to actually calculate currents and things like that. And so when you're trying to find the current of these things, you can connect a ammeter up here, or the ammeter, and it will tell you the current right now through this wire is 0.9 amps. And if I wanted to see the voltage on different spots, I can say, oh, it looks like it's a 9 volts going through there. Turns out the total voltage in this circuit is equal to what we have going on there. And if I flip them, it shows the opposite. It's just measuring it from a different spot. Okay, so this is a little bit about how you're going to be using this stuff, a little for today and also for next week. Hope you're all doing well, and as you get your work done, I appreciate it. This is Mr. Neutzel signing out.